Hi, I'm Mary Jo Boyd here with another eBite from Attorney Computer Systems. Today's eBite is in Accounts Payable, or it could also be in Trust. We're going to talk about that message that pops up that says, do you want to print a check test pattern? And what do you do with that? So let me show you what that means. So if I come into my checks and I'm going to print checks, and I'm just going to choose a check real quick. Let's say that I just want to do this first one. So I'm going to pick that. And I'm going to say OK. And pick my check number and OK. And you get this little message that says, would you like to print a test pattern? What does that mean? And do you want this to pop up every time? Probably not. What this test pattern does is it prints out a whole bunch of little X's on the lines where the information is going to print for your check. Usually, the only time you're going to care about this is when you get new checks and you want to set that up and make sure that your margins are correct. And after that, and once it's set, you don't need to do this anymore. You might on another printer, or you might want to print this check pattern, but you don't need this box popping up every single time you want to print a check. So what I do is I say don't show again, and I'm not going to do it because this is my test data and I want to make sure that this is up there, but I would just click that box and then I would say no. So when you want to turn that message off, choose that and say no. So I'm just going to say no right now, and it's going to go ahead and print my check. But if I say no and I don't want to show that again, and then I do need to print a test pattern because maybe I did get a new printer or something's changed and I want to make sure my margins are correct, you can get back to that very easily by just going to File and Print Check Test Pattern. There we go. And it will do that. You can go ahead and say OK, and you can print that test pattern anytime you want. So it is still there. You don't have to have that message pop up. And I usually print that and then hold it behind my check, and I can see where all the lines are that's going to print. And then that gives me that template that I need to make sure my check will print properly. I hope this eBite's been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to visit our website or give us a call. Thank you.